superior power, improved mileage, with just a minimal upgrade cost. All these can be offered by my personal choice of diesel fuel.
This sir, welcome to Petron.
Hi, full tank please, Petron Turbo Diesel. With my everyday drive, it's important to look for a high-quality diesel suited for my car. That's why I choose Petron Turbo Diesel, a fuel that restores power and delivers a turbocharged performance. Even driving uphill is not a problem, because Petron Turbo Diesel gives better engine torque and power. TURBOclean, TURBOmileage, and TURBOpower. Those three words sum up my driving experience with Petron Turbo Diesel. This diesel has Turbo Plus that cleans my fuel injector. Aside from that, it has high cetane, which delivers excellent fuel ignition quality, giving me more mileage. With more power from less fuel gives me more bang for my buck. Enjoy beyond the ordinary experiences and restore your engine like you with Petron Turbo Diesel.